Welcome back to Stanford Women in Medicine's webinar series. Today I'll be sharing an overview about healthcare career pathways and the education routes for women in medicine and beyond. Healthcare is often presented as a single linear journey, most commonly associated with becoming a physician. But in reality, there are many meaningful and impactful paths that allow you to care for patients, advance science, influence policy, and shape the future of medicine. Each pathway comes with its own training requirements, lifestyle considerations, and opportunities for growth. Whether you're firmly set on one path, exploring your options, or rethinking what a fulfilling career in healthcare looks like for you, this session is designed to help you understand the vast world of healthcare careers. Our goal today is not to tell you which path to choose, but to give you the information and perspective you need to make a decision that aligns with your values, strengths, and visions for your future. Before we begin, here's a quick overview of the content we'll be going over today. These are the healthcare career pathways that we cover in this presentation. Let's start with the most well-known pathway, becoming a physician. To become an MD or DO, students first complete 4 years of undergraduate education. During this time, students must take prerequisite coursework across a range of subjects such as biology, chemistry, physics, and math, while also building a strong extracurricular involvement. This often includes clinical exposure through shadowing or volunteering, research experience, leadership roles, and service activities that demonstrate a commitment to healthcare and community. Academic performance, along with these experiences, play a key role in medical school admissions. Some students choose to pursue a BSMD or combined degree program, which offer a direct pathway from undergraduate education into medical school. These programs are highly competitive and often require an early commitment, but they can provide increased stability and, in some cases, a shorter or more structured training timeline. After college, students complete 4 years of medical school, followed by residency training, which can range from 3 to 7 or more years, depending on specialty. Some physicians pursue additional fellowship training after residency. Physicians have the broadest scope of practice in healthcare. They diagnose complex conditions, perform procedures and surgeries, manage treatment plans, and often lead healthcare teams. This level of responsibility requires a deep scientific foundation and comes with a high degree of clinical autonomy. Lifestyle as a physician varies widely by specialty. Training years are demanding, with long hours, overnight calls, and significant pressure. After training, some specialties offer more predictable schedules, while others remain high intensity. Financially, medical education is expensive, but physicians generally have high earning potential over time. This pathway tends to fit individuals who enjoy deep problem solving, leadership, and long-term commitment to training, and who are comfortable with delayed gratification in exchange for broad impact and autonomy. Next, we'll look at nursing, which offers multiple entry points and advanced practice options. Students interested in nursing can begin as early as undergraduate education. Many universities offer direct entry or direct admission nursing programs, where students are accepted into a nursing major from the start and complete both general education and nursing-specific coursework. Other schools use a pre-nursing model, where students apply to the nursing program after completing prerequisite courses. These prerequisites often include biology, chemistry, anatomy and physiology, and statistics, along with clinical experiences. After completing either an associate degree in nursing, an ADN, or a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, a BSN, graduates will take the NCLEX exam to become registered nurses, or RNs. From there, nurses can choose to enter the workforce immediately or pursue advanced practice roles. Advanced degrees allow nurses to become nurse practitioners, NPs, or certified registered nurse anesthetists, CRNAs. These roles require additional graduate level education, typically a master's or a doctoral degree, along with extensive clinical training. Nurse practitioners in many states can diagnose conditions, prescribe medications, and manage patient care, often functioning similarly to primary care providers. CRNAs specialize in anesthesia and in many settings practice with a high degree of independence. One of the major strengths of nursing is flexibility. Many nursing roles offer shift-based schedules, geographic mobility, and earlier entry into the workforce compared to physicians. Educational costs are generally lower, while salaries, particularly for advanced practice nurses, are competitive and continue to grow. This pathway often appeals to individuals who value patient-centered care, teamwork, flexibility, and strong clinical impact without the extended training timeline required for medical school. Moving on to physician assistants, or PAs. Physician assistants represent another clinical pathway with a shorter training timeline. PA programs typically require a bachelor's degree with prerequisites, followed by a 2 to 3-year master's program. Unlike physicians, PAs do not complete residency, though optional postgraduate fellowships exist. PAs diagnose and treat patients under physician collaboration and can work across a wide range of specialties. One unique advantage of the PA profession is career flexibility. PAs can change specialties without repeating formal training. In terms of lifestyle, PA roles often offer more predictable hours and less administrative burden than physicians. However, scope of practice and autonomy vary by state and practice setting. This path fits individuals who want hands-on clinical work, flexibility across specialties, and a faster route into patient care. Now, here's a short video from Claire Kyriakos, PA and Chief Advanced Practice Officer for Stanford Center for Advanced Practice, speaking on her experience becoming a PA.
My name is Claire Kriakos, and I've been a physician associate now for about 18 years. I practiced in both pediatric surgery as well as plastic surgery. I chose to be a PA because of the direct impact that you can have on patient care and the patient's journey. I feel like as a PA, we have a level of autonomy, yet you're integrated into a team-based care model, which is a really fun way to deliver care and having that ability to collaborate with so many other healthcare team members. The one thing that I really would love for everyone to know about being a PA is that the opportunities are really endless. As a PA, as you grow in your clinical practice, there are other avenues. You can take that expertise to be more involved in research, quality improvement. You can get involved in education and start teaching. You can be involved in informatics. The expertise is just so valuable throughout the healthcare industry. And you can also be more formally involved in leadership roles. So that is the path that I have taken. Currently, I am the Vice President and Chief Advanced Practice Officer at Stanford Healthcare. And I have the opportunity to support all of the APRNs and PAs within our organization. So this has just been a very rewarding journey, and I encourage all of you to explore the various opportunities that you have within healthcare, and good luck.
Next, allied health professionals make up a critical and often under-recognized part of the healthcare workforce. This category includes roles such as physical therapists, occupational therapists, radiologic technologists, and medical laboratory scientists, among many others. Education pathways vary by role. Some professions require a bachelor's degree, while others, such as physical therapy and occupational therapy, require master's or clinical doctoral degrees. Most programs include a combination of classroom learning, hands-on labs, and supervised clinical rotations. Allied health professionals tend to focus on specialized aspects of patient care. Physical and occupational therapists work closely with patients over time, helping them recover function, manage chronic conditions, and improve quality of life. Radiologic technologists play a key role in diagnostic imaging, operating advanced equipment, and ensuring accurate, safe imaging. Medical laboratory scientists work largely behind the scenes, performing tests that inform diagnoses, monitor disease progression, and guide treatment decisions. This level of patient interaction varies widely by role. Some allied health careers involve extensive one-on-one patient care, while others focus more on technical expertise and analytical work. This makes allied health an attractive option for students who want to tailor their level of patient contact. In terms of lifestyle, allied health careers often offer more predictable schedules, fewer overnight or on-call responsibilities, and lower burnout rates compared to many physician roles. While these professions may not carry the same level of authority or autonomy as physicians, they provide strong job stability, clear scopes of practice, and meaningful, tangible impact on patient outcomes. This pathway is especially well suited for individuals who enjoy hands-on work, technical or clinical specialization, consistent schedules, and a balanced approach to healthcare careers while still making a vital contribution to patient care. Another important pathway is research and academia. This route typically involves pursuing a PhD, an MD PhD, or other advanced research training in fields such as biomedical sciences, public health, engineering, or related disciplines. After graduate training, individuals may complete postdoctoral fellowships before transitioning into careers in academia, industry research, government labs, or clinical trials. Careers in research and academia can include running an independent research lab, teaching and mentoring students, working in biotechnology or pharmaceutical companies, or designing and conducting clinical trials. While these roles usually involve less direct patient care, they provide a critical role in advancing medical knowledge, developing new treatments, and shaping the future of healthcare. Work schedules and research can be more flexible and self-directed, but these careers are often grant-dependent and competitive, requiring persistence, collaboration, and long-term planning. Success is frequently measured by publications, funding, and scientific impact rather than clinical outcomes. This pathway fits individuals who are curiosity-driven, enjoy independent inquiry and problem-solving, and want to contribute to healthcare through discovery, innovation, and education, even if they are not working directly with patients on a daily basis. Moving on, public health and policy careers focus on improving health at the population level, rather than treating individual patients one at a time. Education in this field often includes a Master of Public Health, an MPH, or a public policy-focused degree, sometimes combined with clinical training, research experience, or a medical and nursing degree. Training emphasizes data analysis, program design, health systems, and the social determinants of health. Career paths in public health and policy are diverse and may include epidemiology, health equity work, global health initiatives, health policy analysis, nonprofit leadership, or roles within government agencies and international organizations. Professionals in these roles may design public health programs, analyze disease trends, evaluate healthcare policies, or advocate for changes that improve access and outcomes. Rather than treating individual patients, public health professionals work to address systemic issues such as disease prevention, healthcare access, environmental health, and health disparities. Their impact is often seen at the community, national, or global level. In terms of lifestyle, public health and policy roles often offer more predictable schedules and fewer clinical demands than direct patient care careers, though work can be fast-paced during public health crises or policy shifts. This pathway appeals to individuals who are interested in systems thinking, advocacy, data-driven decision-making, and a large-scale impact, and who want to shape healthcare beyond the bedside. And as we know, healthcare also relies heavily on technology and engineering, which play a growing role in how care is delivered, monitored, and improved. This pathway includes fields such as biomedical engineering, health informatics, digital health startups, medical device development, and artificial intelligence applications in healthcare. Educational backgrounds vary widely and may include degrees in engineering, computer science, data science, biology, medicine, or hybrid interdisciplinary programs. Some roles involve formal graduate training, while others emphasize industry experience and technical skills. Professionals in health technology and engineering work on problems such as designing medical devices, improving electronic health record systems, developing diagnostic tools, creating health apps, or applying AI to imaging and clinical decision-making. While these roles typically involve less direct patient interaction, they can impact thousands or even millions of patients at once. Most of these careers exist in industry, startups, or research-focused environments. Work is often project-based and fast-paced, with an emphasis on innovation, collaboration, and rapid iteration. Compared to clinical roles, schedules are generally more predictable, though deadlines and product cycles can be intense. This pathway fits individuals who enjoy building and problem-solving, are drawn to innovation at a large scale, and want to shape the future of healthcare through technology, even if they are not directly working with patients. At this point, it's important to emphasize that no path is inherently better than another. Each differs in training length, cost, work-life balance, autonomy, and type of impact. What matters most is alignment with your values, priorities, and vision for your future, not external expectations or prestige. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize that there is no single correct timeline or definition of success in healthcare. Many people change paths, take time off, or discover new interests along the way. And that is not a failure, but a part of growth. Healthcare needs women in many roles, as clinicians, researchers, advocates, innovators, and leaders. Wherever you land, just know that your contribution matters. Thank you for joining us in today's webinar on healthcare career pathways. See you next time.